curtains,
Tapos,
yung Shuraro Rap.
dire-diretso lang.
You're
Hindi
welcome.
ba ganyan ka isa? Diba? Typical Wattpad.
Tapos, scene 3.
Yan.
Oh, nabing prom.
Hindi ikaw yung magbubukas. Sila, yung dalawang minion mo.
Sige.
Yeah.
Pabukas po.
1, 2.
Ralph, come here first.
Try lang. We can figure that out
Sige.
after.
Yan, okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Tapos yung stay ka dyan, yung camera papasok. Tapos,
Sa lubong.
sa loob, magpo-pose ka muna dyan. Ikaw yan. Tapos, kumain ka.
Tapos sasalubong yung 2 girls, right?
Oo, maghaharapan na kayo niyan.
I think, like, mas bet if andito muna yung
Mga
girl.
girls, sige lang
Para like,
dito.
the queen is here, parang gaganon
Habang
siya.
Oo, para
naglalakad
maganda
sila,
din yung
habang
ano
naglalakad, may linyahan din dapat.
Oo.
There has to be like a, this is your,
Ay, sige, pwede.
like a
Parang-
duo. And there has,
Diba, girls, ganyan.
There are mirrors.
Yeah.
So if you're going to exchange, siguro down or whatever, up.
yeah.
Oo. Basta ito yung shot.
Pasok na, tapos dyan
Dolly
yung
is.
Tapos chikahan na
And
kayo
then,
dito.
they chika. Huwag ka na mag-move. You don't move back na.
Yeah.
Sila magpa-forward. And then you start to go.
Yes! Oo, kami mo-forward.
And then next na.
Tapos,
So next is,
sino yung magtatry kami yung Dustin, di ba?
Oh, saan kayo magpa-proposal?
May problema
what's
doon.
scene 3?
Yeah.
1 and 2, isa lang yung
Scene three.
location nyo. Veranda lang yun.
Direct to big.
Veranda pa rin.
Pero nine characters ba ako?
Oh.
Scene 3 is si
Location.
Balong na agad.
Bawal tayong
Then you guys need to come from the pool. Because the pool shouldn't be in prom night anyways.
dalawang characters na yun in one
Right?
location.
Patingin nga.
If we go from the pool.
From
If we go from the
naging
pool.
balong ka na.
Sorry, we have to do this.
O yung pool, gamitin na natin agad.
It has to be
So,
here.
ito eh.
It has to be here. It has to start here. We can start
Pero-
here, AZ Bianca.
Sorry, Brent.
Boom.
If nag-iwan
Yes,
sa location,
actually,
hindi na pwede
oh,
gamitin.
Kasi kailangan may isang character each.
Para mas mahaba? No, because we need to use the pool area.
Kailangan to sa prom night natin.
Eto ba or doon?
Eto na lang.
O, one scene lang yan. O, so babalik tayo sa loob.
I-intro na lang daw to instead of veranda.
Go, AZ.
What if doon tayo area? Kasi diba ito yung prom, doon na lang yung intro. Here na area, ito yung
Other
view.
side.
Ito yung view.
Pwede
Kasi
pa
wa-
rin yan.
Gamitin
Oh.
yung
Pa rin yan.
Oo nga, pero ito yung paano.
Basta sa labas, tatlo lang yung location natin. Garden, pool, and veranda.
Okay, what are we using
Pool
for
na
prom?
lang. Pwedeng yung parang alam mo yung nagsa-sunbathing.
yan.
ng newspaper.
Oo. Towel lang
Ganun,
gamitin.
ganun.
Yung nakahiga doon,
So we don't use this area because
Nandito
this
na
is
si
prom.
Precious sa
Precious sa
Right?
That's prom.
This is
Parang
prom.
veranda is Charlotte. Oh, veranda na to ah. Oh,
Yes.
veranda
Yung
na to.
problem ko lang, yung tatlong scenes natin, puro prom night yun. So, kailangan nasa loob tayo if gagamitin na natin itong pool sa veranda.
Garden area,
Garden.
wala pa. Yun na yung garden.
Eh, tatlong scenes nga yun, hindi pwedeng
Yes, I understand. I understand.
Yeah.
I understand.
Let's,
So,
ano,
can I see the list?
Ice cream is like 1,000.
gets.
Hindi lang girl.
Pro din.
No, right?
I'm happy
Now,
being an actress.
examples
Okay na ako
as
to.
in-
Three out of three.
Now we got to experience
Yes,
this.
Right? Peanut butter.
Kaya sa prod, may...
That's why always when I see them, like,
I think carry
Unless we start sa
Yeah.
dining. Unless we start sa dining talaga.
Kasi,
Sorry.
Ito pwede itong pool.
Veranda.
Here, like that.
Itong chismosa,
Dito
inside.
nagchichikahan.
Inside.
or pwede yung ano agad.
Here.
Eto,
Close up ng campsite.
proposal inside.
inside.
Inside. Eto.
Garden, ito lang pwede. Tatlo na yung outdoors eh.
Patingin nga ng mga out, guys. O, pwede. Inside lahat yan. Promise.
Dapat 7, 8, 9, veran.
Veranda, pool, and garden. Kaya gusto ko sana, puro indoors muna, tapos saka tayo mag-outdoor.
Hindi, kasi pwede naman na habang yung coming together, parang papunta na sila sa prom, ano, tapos magiging friends na sila. Gets mo ba yun? Ganon.
May bathroom din na bathroom pa.
Ha?
Bathroom.
That's okay, that can be getting ready also.
Madali yan, chikahan.
Yeah.
Naglabas yung-
You just need to, kahit ano lang, like coming out of the bathroom
For
lang.
me, ano ko lang indoor-outdoor talaga.
Yeah.
Sige.
Kasi yung mag-outdoor tayo, mag-indoor tayo, mag-outdoor
Yeah,
tayo.
that's too hard. So start talaga dining.
Dining. Yeah.
Dining.
Tuloy natin yung ano mo, idea.
Pero ba't ayaw niyo i-try? Di ba dito sa ito, mga sunbed, di ba?
Hindi talaga.
Iikot na lang din yan, no?
Ay, dito daw sa living room lahat, guys.
Maganda sana talaga yung shot na parang sambiting eh.
Pwede kang
Hindi ko
towel
na
yun
skipper,
eh,
if
towel
you want
lang
it like cinematic. Ganda yun.
Ito, Esther, naman din nga yun eh. Tapos bro, tapos mo na sa bench, di ba? Dito sa may sunbed.
Papasok.
Tapos paikot.
Kailangan ba, sorry,
Dito.
question. Kailangan ba per scene one location or can it just be like we're going everywhere?
First, one location ah.
Hindi. We're going everywhere, basta per location andun ako.
Na
Oo.
Okay.
Ay, akin is just one like letter O.
Pwedeng umulit.
Oo, pwedeng umulit.
Pwedeng umulit.
Oo.
Sa lahat na nakikita si...
Dapat nandun siya.
We can,
I agree with Brent indoor.
if we really want to, we can do the
Yeah, we
sunbathing
can.
diretso
If gusto
into
natin
here.
ha, parang like cinematography-wise, I mean parang
Kaya.
konting-
Kaya siya.
Kaya siya. Kakayanin natin talaga. Kasi ako kakayanin ko yan. Ano?
Pag ginawa natin yung sunbathing thing, mas lalaki yung location.
Oo. Kasi pag sunbathing thing, papasok na dyan. Tapos pwede dito.
Pero if we do start with sunbathing, dapat iba na yung scene.
No, 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 no. No, it still works. It still works. It still works. Yeah. Basta this campaigning has to be hallway.
Yeah. Ay, hindi. Eto yun.
Ito yung...
But we could also do
Iniisip ko lang hindi well distributed yung characters mo nun. Kasi kailangan talaga per location may isang character siya. So kung uulit siya sa isang location, wala na yung ibang locations. Wala na ibang
Yeah,
characters
makes
is near dun.
Yeah.
That's on you. That's on you now because you'll be running around.
Okay lang. I-distribute muna natin with...
If you... Well, technically, we'll only have to repeat the swimming pool outside. For if kailangan ng character niya doon.
Pag pool.
If we really want to start outside, diretso inside.
So, pool, veranda, sa pool si Precious. Veranda,
Si Charlotte. Eto, pwedeng CR to. Lalabas siya ng CR.
mixed pa
Yeah, or
sa
tapos
Kasi
naglalagay ng
Si
posters.
si Balor.
Pero ilis natin, sige.
Okay. Ano? Basta ito, boys bedroom, girls bedroom.
Living, dining, kitchen, bathroom, garden, swimming. May bathroom.
Meron natin. List natin lahat ng kailangan.
Hindi, sa baba na lang.
Veranda. Sulat
Erase ko na rin ba ito?
No, that's right. Ito pool.
Boys bedroom,
What's kulang there?
swimming,
This can also be, can be bathroom.
Direct.
PM.
kitchen, dining,
Direct, matagal pa ba yan?
garden.
Ano yun? Napik ko na yan sa'yo. Magsasalita ka.
Living room.
Tapos sumama.
Okay.
Gets ko. It would be easier if we just
Bro,
did one scene
nagpa-blending.
in one location. Pero kasi may
Nagpa-blend
mga
ka so-
ideas that would look so cool if we pushed with it.
Yeah, pero kasi we have limited
Task
time.
talaga, yung kailangan yung task talaga.
Yeah.
And enough time for
We would need...
Esnir to get
So feeling ko talaga, wala gusto talaga dito is the hallway.
Gawin natin
diba?
siya na...
Hindi ba kaya yun?
Kung kaya itawid para sa akin, kung kaya itawid,
Oo.
itawid na lang. Hindi naman kailangan na
Yun.
sobrang visually appealing eh. Yung ano lang talaga is magawa ng maayos, masabi yung kwento.
Yeah.
Secondary na lang for me yung aesthetics.
Yeah.
Ako, feeling ko edit din nila kasi tinanong nila kami kung ano yung editing app na ginagamit namin.
Din ako eh.
point pa rin dito guys is one take siya.
So, we have to do it perfectly. Walang editing to eh. As in one whole.
Oh, pero like, what I meant is like, kahit inano muna natin yung mga aesthetic, basta yung task na muna.
I think we should just one location, one scene talaga.
Practicality na lang.
Yeah.
Para safe tayo. Kasi,
Yeah.
Kasi kung maganda, yeah, yun nga, maganda nga, pero
kung wala, fail.
wala.
Yeah.
Hindi, wala rin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yung at Kessier, mahirap din kasi palit siya ng palit. Let's make it easier for him na one location.
Para sa doubles din, sino ba yung doubles natin?
Isa pang mahirap din yun na yung doubles.
I feel like we should only double here.
Dulo lang.
Yeah, tuloy lang talaga. Saka imagine mo lahat ng palit and everything.
Let's figure out location and then let's eat. Salamat.
Nag-guilty.
Direct, anong
Nag-guilty si
suggest mo?
Direct, what do you think? Direct. Direct.
EBP.
Pops.
Tiwala.
Ano nga yung suggestion mo kanina? Yung suggestion mo ngayon?
Wala. Isa ako, iwala ko.
Dining talaga to.
Medyo wine.
Pero, wait lang, try natin yung idea niya nyo, no?
From
Kunwari, anong
Pool.
yun, bro?
Swimming pool.
Pool, di ba? Kunwari,
Sunbathing. Sunbathing.
Tapos, pasok sa veranda.
Curtain.
Tawid.
Right.
Try ate, can you put pool here so we can separate it?
Tapos lagay mo yung character.
CR yan. Yung scene 3 CR.
Veranda, Charlotte.
And alam,
Pwede.
it's written na rin naman na bro.
And then we can go straight, this is bathroom. We can start campaigning sa bathroom.
Paano natin matatawid agad yun na...
Kaya yun, we're coming from the hallway eh. We're coming from the hallway.
Di ba pwedeng sa, ano na to?
Kitchen?
Kitchen?
Pwede,
Pero
actually.
pwede din talaga.
Kasi
Pwede
kasi
ba?
Where else are you gonna put the CR in the
After
scene?
bathroom kitchen.
Sa loob kayo magchichismisan?
Hindi, pwede to.
Like sa labas lang. Like balong, pwede si balong is coming out of the CR.
Campaigning.
Okay.
With posters, ganon, nilalagay.
Hindi, pwedeng bathroom, kasi ito kitchen. Restroom po. Pwede
But then,
before
si Esnir,
guard, hindi. Oh,
if
before guard
coming
yung
from
restroom.
here, pan yung chismis.
Scene 4.
Balong,
Ito pwede kitchen eh.
balong.
Kitchen, living room, dining.
Talk. Pwede kitchen muna.
Voice.
Someone has to be talking in the kitchen so balong can get in. Chen. Kasi to, ano na to?
Ayan,
Kasi if
guys,
Esnir is coming out here as Charlotte, how's he gonna go back inside, right?
Try lang. Ala, andyan na siya. Yung line natin, bro.
Okay,
Ayan.
ito, ano to?
Yun, one take lang, bro. It's parang hirap wala na.
May bathroom kasi.
Line natin. Lahat sila tuwi. Ano maganda sana from girls yung...
Dagdag pa ako.
The switch,
Yung ano
para
talaga-
nakaset na yung characters per scene
Hindi,
eh.
sige, try mo nga.
Nakaset na yung characters dito. Charlotte's coming from here.
Six dining.
Wait lang. Charlotte
Wait, wala tayong...
comes here. They
Kailangan ng
talk.
voice.
We're going in while Esther's changing. There has to be something happening here.
Pero talaga
In
yun,
scene
Fer.
3,
Si Marjorie, nilagay na lang sa pwede kaya yun?
Hindi, babae si Marjorie.
Ash, AZ, Kira.
Sulat mo bro lahat?
Yeah.
Sequence
easy ako.
1. Wow, ganda.
sa kitchen.
In the kitchen.
They can be talking in the kitchen.
Talking before balong
After
comes
kitchen. And then balong comes out.
Parang
After
after the
posters,
kitchen, ano
campaign, moving into the kitchen
Yeah.
para may kitchen
Oo.
siya.
After
Okay.
ng kitchen, girls' room.
Third, 3 is kitchen and bathroom.
Oo, kasi ito na yung bathroom.
Yeah. Di ba sakto ate?
Oo,
Then
unang...
going to girls' room, baka pwedeng... And then what's next? Boys. And then pwede turn. All the boys go into
Ito.
here.
Nag-kitchen pa si Balong, di pwede yun. Kailangan
No,
ibang
pwede
character
naman
na.
siya lumabas ulit as another...
Kailangan ibang character
Yung
na.
character, each character, one location.
One location.
Ang pangit naman kung magkakampaign tayo lahat sa bathroom. Maybe pwede sa bathroom.
No, pwede naman siya mag-repeat eh. Because the kitchen is a center of the whole house. Veranda.
Dapat ay mali siya na
Balong,
ibang eksena.
creating
Kailangan ng
conflict.
lahat ng house. We can repeat locations pero yung scenes dapat magkakaiba talaga.
Boys. Nasaan si Michael? 3. Michael?
Andito si Michael.
Si... AC. Diba?
Kada location, iba-iba dapat yung eksena. Hindi pwede yung kitchen at saka yung bathroom magkasama yung eksena.
Sakto rin 9 locations for 9 scenes.
Yeah.
Works like actually walking-wise. Walking-wise.
Anong transition?
Para alam na natin yung flow.
Tuloy ba to?
Oh,
Charlotte's from
wala.
here.
Yeah, Charlotte's from here. Dapat may nagchichika dito habang nagpapalit si Esnir. Kaya that's why kitchen ako.
What?
Kitchen, habang nagpapalit
This is scene
balong. Scene 3 na to.
Scene 3 is
Balong
Precious.
changing to balong.
Lalabas na si Precious.
That's scene 2.
Hindi, action gawin natin. Para malinis.
Go from the beginning. Kasi pool. Pool ang gusto ni Esnir.
Same lang. So, pool, opening shot.
Easy B
Pwede ba to?
up.
Sabi kanina.
Yeah, that's what we're trying to do.
Ha?
This is what we're trying to do.
No, I mean like pwedeng ipagplanuhin to? Kasi ba nakalagay sa TV kanina sa living room?
Well, there's people there.
Okay, so 1, 2, time mo, 3, 4, 5,
Easy.
Precious.
Easy Bianca. Pwede
Tapos,
dito si Precious.
Pwede dito si Precious. Sa 5.
Precious. Precious.
Bakit ako? Tapos,
Ganon.
tapos ano na to, nakagrupo na sila.
Then
Tapos,
chika.
Chika. Huy, blah, 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 blah. Dito dapat yung shot, makatakbo na si Esnir doon.
Yeah.
Clear na si Esnir. Shoot.
Chika.
Chika. Hala,
And
nandito
then,
na siya.
nandito siya.
Bang. Tapos,
Charlotte.
ano yan? Yung shot yan pababa.
Charlotte. Ganon.
Rising.
Talk.
Hold mo na. Tapos talk. Tapos pwedeng,
Wala. And then
Transition
we just
ni
keep
Charlotte.
walking. You walk
Aalis siya.
forward. Yeah.
oo.
Walk, changing into balong. Dapat nag-uusap sila
Oo.
dito. Kaya kitchen. And then my idea was talking. Balong is in here. Then we turn around.
Balong is in there.
Balong is in there.
Sige, dito na
Because we need to
tayo.
have a CR eh. Balong would come out of here and say,
May
with
mirror dyan.
posters. With posters.
Balong sa CR.
We need to have a CR eh.
But that doesn't make sense, just posters. Balong can come out of the CR. Not with posters.
So paano?
Kasi nakalagay bathroom.
How else can we use the bathroom?
It could be a joke. Parang, like, natatain na or
Sa
anything.
Samantha. And then leading into the girls' room, pwede yun.
Pwede yun. Doesn't matter.
Okay, so let's
Si
stick
Balong
to
can go somewhere
kitchen.
else. Sa kitchen, may mirror doon, so yung shot natin. Pwedeng,
Ganito.
tipirin natin yung ano. Dito.
So,
Para hindi kita yung dining. Kasi pag nakita na yan,
but it
sayang
needs
yung shot.
kitchen.
Kitchen. So, ano yan, catchy ka lang. May food.
Talking, content, talking.
Kasi shots niyan, dito lahat.
Talking.
Until,
Eto, they can be sitting here, talking one by one.
oo, may pwede din
Talking.
nagluluto. Kasi
Kitchen scene 3. Kitchen scene 3.
Ano yung scene 3?
Pool, veranda, scene 3, kitchen.
Conflict.
Campaigning,
Eh,
pwede nakaupo yung
conflict.
girls. And then imagine, Balong is here. Ganito.
Hindi, shot nito. Ito yung dalawang magka-team. Ano yan? Ayan, bang.
Yeah.
Balong, pasok.
Balong.
Bang.
Ganon.
Oo, siya yung
ganon.
taga-instigate.
Okay, and then you turn
Precious
to
ako.
boys.
Hindi, Charlotte ako. Precious ako. Oo, yun dapat dialogue.
And then you're walking this way.
Tapos ano yung next
Kiss my
shot?
loves.
Boys room. Boys room,
Ano ba
chikahan na to eh.
another scene?
Hindi, AC, di ba, Balong, papasok siya. Yung camera dapat, maitawid dyan sa likod. Nandiyo yung mga boys. Dito.
Yeah, boys are waiting
Parang
na din.
ako si Das.
And then
ano.
palit
Eh,
while
bro,
they're
parang
talking,
ano,
while
parang
they're
ano kasi
talking,
boys room na yung
while
next scene.
Dapat
Parang ano,
pasok.
di ba?
Pasok.
Tapos over
no,
the...
but they should be long here. That should be a long
Dapat lang.
conversation
Oo.
of the boys so that he can
Over-
change Bogart. In here,
Andiyan na si
and
Bogart.
then Bogart.
Ah,
No?
Tama.
Kasi paano?
Oo.
Right?
Oo, dapat parang, yan yung nasasabi ng girls. Tipid dapat yung anggulo eh.
Dapat dito.
Hindi
nandito
dapat
ka.
yan kita. Pag nandito,
Wala. Laging behind you si Esnir. Laging behind you. Behind you.
yan. Tapos, yeah. Dito.
I'm Esnir. Go. And then they need to be
Kasi si
talking.
Balong nandiyan na.
Talking.
Hold yan.
No. Makikita siya dito.
Hindi, nakita.
Kita!
Sino ba? Saan?
Si Esnir. When Esnir walks into here.
Hindi yan, close to. Like, mid-shot to.
Okay. And then you start moving. Moving.
Wala naman bro, si Bogs, blah. Yung kaya sasabi, OTS, over the shoulder, POV, Bogart.
Okay.
Oh, ano to
But there has to be
dalawang
other
boys na
boys in
nag-uusap.
here, no? Yeah.
Bogart is in the middle of the shot.
In here.
But that's so creative na. I don't know if gusto nila yun.
Kaya yun, we just have to figure out routine. It's like a dance routine.
Yeah.
Okay,
Tapos
and then
chikahan
the
ng boys.
boys talk. Bogart comes out.
Ano next scene?
Girls.
Boom.
Girls na.
Girls room?
Girls room. Now the girls are getting ready.
Maganda dito, sabay na lumabas. Palabas na yung camera. Pero palabas na
Bogart.
two characters sa labas. Bogart
Bogart
palabas.
and a girl.
POV, boom. Dapat
Turn
yung
to
crush
girls.
agad ni Bogart.
Yeah. And
Tapos
then
yung tingin na
diretso
ng
ano
girl.
dun, changing.
Dapat emotion na ng girl. Frozen sa girl.
Bogart,
Kinikilig kay
changing.
Bogart. Tapos
Ay, paano papasok si Samantha? From the CR.
oh, ano yan, random. Hindi naman mirror dito so dapat dito. Ang dami nating mirrors. Shot, bang. Close yan, 50. Tapos
Girl.
Samantha,
Girl.
para biglang,
You always
hindi,
you have to give time to Bogart.
Ako
to
si
change.
Bogart
Okay.
Kasi ikaw yan, parang
Okay.
kinikilig ka. Tapos, ang baho.
Oo. Pero Bogart needs time to change.
Oo, may
And
time
I'm
yan.
there.
Aalis yan.
Tapos the boys are gonna talk,
Mabilis lang si Bogart, si Samantha, di ba?
Change.
Hindi, pasukan mo ng best friend mo. Uy, si Bogart talaga, kaya kakilig.
Ganun,
Sana siya, tanongin ako sa prom, Tapos pag-go, tapos pwedeng may papasok pa. And then, hanggang pag malapit na kay Sir, ba't ang baho? Para lang mat-transition natin na CR.
But the CR is super quick. Right? Is that okay?
Mm.